Provocative comments from Ben Bernanke on the financial crisis.
Twitter names Jack Dorsey as permanent CEO. The stock extends gains.
And for the third year in a row, tech giants Apple and Google top Interbrand's best global brands report.
Former Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke says he thinks Wall Street bankers are responsible for the 2008 financial crisis, and the ones that were should have done jail time. Bernanke's talking to the media as his new memoir, The Courage to Act, is released this week. Bernanke defended the Fed's big bailout during that chaotic period and also said he wished that Lehman Brothers, which went bankrupt, could have been saved.
And Twitter has appointed co-founder and interim chief executive Jack Dorsey as the permanent CEO. Now, Dorsey will also continue to serve as CEO of Square, the payments company that he co-founded in 2009 that has reportedly filed confidentially for an initial public offering. The number 2 will be Adam Bain. Dorsey took to where else? Twitter to discuss his appointment as CEO in a series of tweets. Scott?
And more tech news this morning. Apple and Google claiming the top spots on Interbrand's best global brands report, which says Apple's brand is worth a staggering $170 billion. That's a 43% increase from last year. Google coming in at number 2 on the list, which is worth $120 billion, or a 12% year-over-year jump. Coca-Cola taking the 3rd spot, and Facebook was the 23rd most valuable brand, worth about $22 billion. And Jane, of course, plenty of other stories making headlines this morning.
There are, Scott. General Electric shares began the day up more than 3% on news that Nelson Peltz's Trian fund taking a $2.5 billion stake in the company. He calls the investment supportive of current management. And Disney theme parks are considering demand pricing for its parks. Tickets would cost less on slower days and extra, or come with more restrictions on dates when there tend to be too many people. Rhonda.
Thanks, Jane. And remember, keep checking The Street for more news and analysis throughout the day. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.